I do not recommend that you restrain your child ever. When you have multiple children in the mix and one is having a really hard time, flying objects, kicking, yelling, screaming, cussing, whatever, and the other one is there, yes, you do have to be an octopus, right? And I want to bring all the gentleness to you. And a huge part of what we're doing and I do in all my other videos is give you the roadmap so you have few of these kinds of moments. So make sure that you're watching those. And also, when it does happen, what do? The first thing to do is take care of yourself. The second thing to do is to know that most things are not an emergency, okay? Most things are not an emergency. And you moving slowly into relationship with the baby and the kid who's melting down is not gonna make it worse. It is gonna be a little slower, but that's gonna help you stay regulated, which is the number one thing you need in order to be successful in this kind of environment. Number two, yes, you want to think very carefully about the space, and you might want to do this ahead of time. So when your kids are not melting down, I want you to think like, what do I need to do to set up this space when I'm going to be parenting solo so that if my 4-year-old has a meltdown and I also have my 20-month-old in the mix, I have somewhere my 20-month-old can go to be safe. And maybe that's a playpen that you put in the side of the room. And when your 4-year-old is doing that, you put the little one in the playpen with something to do. And then you tend to the 4-year-old and you're going to have to go back and forth. You're going to have to split your attention between these two children. It's not